Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech to Heavy channel. Today, I wanted to share a quick and easy way to update Android Studio. Watch the video till the end. You might get errors if you skip the video. First, let's open Android Studio on your computer. It might take a moment to load your project and to sync our Gradle files. Once it's ready, take a look at the top right corner. You will see a little yellow icon. If you see that arrow, click on it. A new window will pop up, and you should see a button that says Download. Clicking that will download and install the latest version of Android Studio for you. There's another way to check for updates as well. Go to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on the Help option. You'll see a drop-down menu. At the bottom of that menu, there should be an option, Check for Updates. Click on it. The Android IDE starts running some background processes for checking which IDE version you are currently running on. Once it is finished, the small window at the bottom will appear. Click on the Update button. The same window will appear as the previous one. You can ignore the update or download the latest version of Android Studio right from here. If you got any error, comment down below. I will help you out with it. Hit the subscribe button for useful videos.